Hi, this is Clara for Blockchain of Things. This tutorial will teach you about the List Issued Assets node and how it's used in Catenis Flow. The List Issued Assets node allows you to list all assets issued by the virtual device you have configured on the nodes. It also allows you to filter by limiting the amount of assets that were issued or skip a number of assets that get returned. This node's Properties panel contains the Standard Name field where you can name the node and the Connection field where you can set your previously configured Catenis virtual device connection or configure a new virtual device. If desired, enter a limit to the maximum number of issuances you wish to be returned here in the Limit field. If you want, enter a number here to skip listing a set number of issuances starting from the first issued. Now, let's take a look at the example flow found at this link. Copy the example flow, click the Node Red hamburger menu, and click Import to display the Import Flow dialog box. Paste the flow into the import box and click the Import button. This flow is a working example implementing the List Issued Assets node. Note that after importing the example flow, you will need to set the Catenis Flow nodes to your own previously configured virtual device. If you don't remember how to do this, check out the video at this link. You can pause this tutorial now to explore this flow on your own, and in the next tutorial, you'll learn how to create this flow from scratch. Excellent! After watching this tutorial, you should understand List Issued Assets nodes. Did you know that there are currently over 10,000 cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap? Keep up the good work, and yours will be up there in no time. Up next, you'll learn how to use the List Issued Assets node.